Your phone is ringing. You look at the screen, and you do not recognize the number. The caller may speak English. What do you do?
Honestly, I usually stare at the phone and hope it stops ringing.
Jordan!
I know. But speaking English on the phone feels different. I cannot see the person's face. I cannot read their expression. And sometimes they speak very quickly.
That is exactly why we are practicing today. By the end of this episode, you will know how to answer an unknown caller, ask who is calling, say that you cannot talk right now, and leave or take a message correctly.
Good. Because my current strategy is not very professional.
Avoiding every phone call?
Exactly.
Today, we change that. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Say It Right. I'm Kate.
And I'm Jordan. Today we are practicing English phone conversations.
If answering the phone in English makes you nervous, you are not alone. We will keep everything slow, clear, and natural.
Listen carefully. Repeat the useful phrases out loud. And remember, you do not need perfect English. You only need a few clear and polite sentences.
Situation 1. Your phone rings. The number is not saved in your phone. You decide to answer.
Okay. I am ready.
Hello, may I speak to Jordan, please?
Yes. Jordan is here.
That is understandable. But a more natural and professional answer is, yes, this is Jordan speaking.
Yes, this is Jordan speaking.
Excellent. You may also hear people say simply, speaking. That is correct English. But for learners, yes, this is Jordan speaking is clearer, fuller, and more formal.
So the safest answer is, yes, this is Jordan speaking.
Exactly. Let us try again. Hello, may I speak to Jordan, please?
Yes, this is Jordan speaking.
Hello, Jordan. My name is Emma. I'm calling from Greenway Medical Center.
Sorry, where are you calling?
Almost. Say, sorry, where are you calling from?
Sorry, where are you calling from?
Good. The word from is important. You are asking which company, organization, or place the caller represents.
Sorry, where are you calling from?
I'm calling from Greenway Medical Center.
Thank you.
Very good.
Kate, what should I say if the caller speaks too quickly?
You can say, I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?
I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?
Or, I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch your name.
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch your name.
Use that sentence when you understand the rest of the message, but you miss the person's name.
Names are difficult on the phone. Sometimes I hear a completely different name.
That happens to everyone. Even fluent speakers ask people to repeat or spell their names.
Really?
Of course. You can say, could you spell your name for me, please?
Could you spell your name for me, please?
Perfect. Hello, may I speak to Jordan, please?
Yes, this is Jordan speaking.
Hello, Jordan. This is Emma calling from Greenway Medical Center.
I'm sorry. I didn't quite catch your name. Could you repeat it, please?
Of course. My name is Emma. E-M-M-A.
Thank you, Emma. How can I help you?
Excellent. That sounded calm, polite, and professional.
I answered an unknown call in English.
And you did not hide from the phone.
Progress.
Situation 2. Someone calls and asks to speak to another person. Maybe your colleague, your manager, or someone in your family.
Okay. I am answering an office phone.
Hello, could I speak to Ms. Taylor, please?
Who are you?
That sounds very direct.
Yes. Not very polite.
A better sentence is, may I ask who's calling, please?
May I ask who's calling, please?
Excellent. You can also say, could I ask who's calling, please?
Could I ask who's calling, please?
Both are polite. May I ask who's calling sounds slightly more formal.
So, in an office, may I ask who's calling, please, is a very good choice.
Exactly. Hello, could I speak to Ms. Taylor, please?
Certainly. May I ask who's calling, please?
This is Daniel from Westbridge Bank.
Thank you, Daniel. One moment, please.
One moment, please, is useful when you are checking whether the person is available.
One moment, please.
Of course.
I'm sorry. Miss Taylor is not available at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Could you ask her to call me back this afternoon?
Certainly. May I take your contact number, please?
Good. Now we will use a fictional practice number. It is not a real person's number. Yes. The practice number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Let me repeat that back to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That is correct.
Thank you. I'll make sure Ms. Taylor receives the message.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Very good. Situation 3. Your phone rings, but you are busy. Maybe you are working, driving, eating, or speaking to someone else.
Or maybe I am just not mentally ready for an English phone call.
That can happen too. But if you answer, you need to end the call politely. Hi, Jordan. It's Sam. How are you?
I cannot talk. Bye.
Clear, but very sudden.
Yes, it sounds like I am angry.
A more polite answer is, hi, Sam. I'm sorry, but I can't talk right now.
Hi, Sam. I'm sorry, but I can't talk right now.
Then offer another time. Could I call you back in 20 minutes?
Could I call you back in 20 minutes?
Good. You can also say, I'm in the middle of something at the moment. Could I call you later?
I'm in the middle of something at the moment. Could I call you later?
I'm in the middle of something means you are busy with another activity.
What if I am about to enter a meeting?
Say, I'm just about to go into a meeting. Could I call you back afterwards?
I'm just about to go into a meeting. Could I call you back afterwards?
Perfect. Hi, Jordan. Do you have a moment?
Hi, Kate. I'm sorry, but I'm just about to go into a meeting.
No problem. I only wanted to ask you something quickly.
I'd be happy to help, but I really need to go now. Could I call you back at around 3 o'clock?
Yes, that would be completely fine.
Great. I'll call you then. Sorry about that.
No worries. Speak to you soon.
Speak to you soon. Goodbye.
Notice that Jordan did not give a long explanation. He apologized, explained briefly, and offered another time.
That helps the caller feel respected.
Exactly. Situation 4. You call someone, but another person answers.
Hello, may I speak to David, please?
I'm sorry. David is away from his desk at the moment.
Tell him Jordan called.
That is understandable. But a more polite sentence is, could you please tell him that Jordan called?
Could you please tell him that Jordan called?
Or, could you ask him to call me back, please?
Could you ask him to call me back, please?
Certainly. May I have your contact number, please?
Yes. The practice number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Let me repeat that back to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, that is correct.
And may I ask what the message is regarding?
Regarding...
What is the message regarding means, what is the message about?
So I can say, it is regarding tomorrow's meeting.
Exactly.
It is regarding tomorrow's meeting.
Thank you. I'll pass the message on to David.
Thank you very much.
Situation 5. Someone calls for your colleague, and you need to write down a message.
Okay. I need a pen and paper.
Always keep a pen nearby during an English phone call.
Very practical advice.
Hello, could I speak to Maria, please?
I'm sorry. Maria is not available at the moment. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes, please. Could you tell her that the appointment has been moved to Thursday at 10 o'clock?
I'm sorry. Could you repeat the message more slowly, please?
Of course. The appointment has been moved to Thursday at 10 o'clock.
Let me check that I understood correctly. The appointment is now on Thursday at 10 o'clock.
Yes, that is correct.
Thank you. May I ask who's calling, please?
This is Helen calling from City Dental.
Thank you, Helen. I'll make sure Maria receives the message.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Excellent. Jordan used a very important sentence. Let me check that I understood correctly.
That sentence gives you time and helps you avoid mistakes.
Use it whenever a message includes a date, time, number, name, or address. Now repeat each phrase out loud. Do not only listen. Speak with us. Yes, this is Jordan speaking.
Yes, this is Jordan speaking.
May I ask who's calling, please?
May I ask who's calling, please?
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch your name. And
I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch your name.
could you spell your name for me, please?
Could you spell your name for me, please?
I'm sorry, but I can't talk right now.
I'm sorry, but I can't talk right now.
Could I call you back later?
Could I call you back later?
Would you like to leave a message?
Would you like to leave a message?
Could you ask her to call me back, please?
Could you ask her to call me back, please?
Let me check that I understood correctly.
Let me check that I understood correctly.
Today's challenge is simple. Practice answering an imaginary phone call. Say these 3 sentences out loud. Hello? Yes, this is Kate speaking.
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that, please?
I'm sorry, but I can't talk right now. Could I call you back later?
Practice those sentences 2 or 3 times. The next time your phone rings, your English will come more quickly.
Remember, you do not need to understand every word immediately. You can ask the caller to repeat, slow down, spell a name, or confirm a message.
And you are allowed to say, I cannot talk right now. Politely, of course.
Politely.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
Subscribe to Say It Right for more real-life English conversations. And tell us in the comments, do English phone calls make you nervous?
Be honest. Do you answer? Or do you wait for the phone to stop ringing?
We will see you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy learning!